Hi guys, I am not going to be here for class today, it ends up. So I have this quick little video to step you through everything I'm going to ask you to do. Starting out, these are the answers to the homework. If you just want to pause this video for a moment, that way everyone can check their answers, and once everyone's ready, then you can unpause it, and I'm going to continue on with a few quick things. Okay. I'm guessing everything has been checked. The numbers 1 to 21, skipping a couple of them from the homework answers over here. What I do want to do real quick, if you have individual questions, I'm happy to help you. You can come in. I'll see you maybe tomorrow, math in the morning, or not math in the morning, but during activity period in the morning. But I do want to go over number 21, just because I'm sure that was a question a lot of people had. So let's just take a second right now and do it. I have it drawn out over here. They want us to find the value of x, and they're giving us two triangles. One is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and one is the 45, 45, 90. So I think it's best going about this to separate them into the two triangles that they are. So the 30, here's the 60, and the 90. And let's just do this one first, filling in the things that we understand. If our hypotenuse is 10 times the square root of 3, we know, because this is really half of an equilateral triangle, that our little leg is going to be half of that. So half of 10 square root of 3, really what we're going to do there, we have 10 times the square root of 3, we're going to divide it by 2 to take half of it. And we know that we can divide these outside numbers, what's under the square root can't be changed, so I get 5 times the square root of 3. So now my little leg is 5 square root of 3. Now the long leg was always whatever the little leg was times the square root of 3. So in this case it's going to be the little leg, 5 square root of 3 times the square root of 3. Now, can we simplify this? Can we multiply these two square roots together? Think about your rules of square root products that we did back in 9.2. And yep, we can. We can multiply these two together. 3 times 3 is 9. So really we get 5 times the square root of 9. But what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is actually 3. So really this is 5 times 3, which equals 15. So that's a lot of thinking through it, but we end up finding that this side is really just 15. So I'm going to carry that up to here, because that's really this side right here. This side here is 15. Okay, so now if I focus on my 45, 45, 90 triangle, and I'm just going to leave it up here because it's already up there. If this leg is 15, then this leg is also going to be 15. And luckily, we know our quick, easy formula. This becomes 15 times the square root of 2, which is what's written down here. So hopefully, if you got stuck on that one, maybe in this little step around here, you had a bunch of square roots going, you weren't sure what to do, that hopefully cleared it up some. All right, today as promised we are going to be reviewing. So I have some worksheets for you. The first page is a review of lesson 9.5 on distance and midpoint formula. You're not going to do every single one. I just want you to do the ones that the substitute asks you to do. And then on the next 3 pages, follow the same rules. These ones, though, there's a lot of problems, but they go really fast because they're like last night's homework, where you just have to use the pattern. So I want you to work through, I gave you 3 worksheets, A, B, and C. I want you to work through and find the missing side links so that we get a lot of practice with these special right triangles, and the more practice, the better, okay? This will be checked tomorrow, so I want you to make sure you have these worksheets done. The problems that you are assigned will be listed for you, either on the board or the substitute will give them to you. Make sure you do those ones. And if you do have any questions, I'll be in for activity period, which is in the morning tomorrow, so I'll see you then. All right, thanks so much, guys. Work hard and be good. Bye.